Hello everybody. Hello everybody. Um, it's me, Dexter Morgan, and I am here to restore order. So, everyone you see over here, they fit the code because this game is not good. Okay. Yeah. Hey, I don't know what that creature is, but it fits the code. You fit the code. Die.
How do you have a gun?
Die! Die! Just die! Die already! What?
Who the heck should have
Leave me alone! What did I do to you? What did I'm Dexter Morgan, that's how I have a gun. I'm an American citizen. No! I'm an American citizen! I live in Miami. Huh? You fit the code! Get away from me! Get away from me, Squeaker!
I'm close to you. I'm close to you.
Get away from me, Squeaker! I was lying! Ah!
I live in Tampa.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna get you and I'm gonna put you on my table. Crap, what the? What is this? Alright, the ads are getting to me. I have to quickly dispose of these things. Hey, get over here! You're dead. Bye-bye. Let me see if they still have the... Whoa, wait, it's too late to get that now. Wait, I got it while it was like... Oh, yo, that was sick. Wait, I'm starting to think it's actually... That was a good thing. Hey, guys, who wants to get shot?
No.
Ah! Alright. Hello, sir. You seem to be bussing it down with the moves. Would you like some, Would you like to drink? No? I've always hated you, robots. I'm out. Hey, any of you guys fit Dexter's code? Yo,
She said you're really hot.
I'm gonna shoot her. I'm gonna shoot you. You're weird.
Vicky's trying to call you daddy.
What the? What the? Ah! What the? What in the heliante is going on here? Alright, 2 people down. I repeat, that's 2 of them down.
There you go.
Yo, I'm in the perfect
Alright, we got a flying one. We got a flying one. Oh wait, I know the perfect thing for this. Hold on.
Hey.
I guess I'm lonely. Really, really bad. Na 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 na. Lonely. I guess I'm lonely. Really bad. Lonely. I guess I'm lonely. Alright. I guess it's time for you guys to go. Ew, what is going on here? What is going on? This is disgusting. I have to stop this. Oh, what the heck? It's the salesman. It's the salesman. Hey man, you've done horrible things, so I guess you fit my code. Crap. Yo, stop doing this weird stuff! Die! This is getting weird. I'm gonna double tap your dead body.
Sorry.
You're weird.
He told me to say that, not me. He told me to say it, not me.
You're the one. Oh, what the heck? He's got a knife. This one's got a knife. Sir, get over here. Sir, get down. I don't know why that didn't work. Hey, I've got a long-range gun. Never bring a knife to a gunfight. Well, I have both actually. Sir, get down! I don't care. What do you mean? Oh, I guess you care now. No? -1. -1. -1 resident. Lonely, lonely, lonely. Oh crap! He just tackled me. I don't know. I'm an exploiter. Take this! Ah! Ah! Lonely, lonely. I guess I'm lonely. Feeling sure I shouldn't. But I'm so lucky that I have this, bro. Like it was literally so expensive at that time. But yeah, glad to see I still have. What the hell? What is this? I don't want to dance. Stop it. This song sucks. Lonely, 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 lonely. Hey, hey, hey! Wanna hear something? Diddy, blood, mustard, mango, mustard. La 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 6 7, so na na 6 7, 6 7 6 7 6 7. Mustard, mango, mangoes, dark mango, psychology. Mustard, mango, 6 7. No 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 no. Ah! I've got a knife! I've got a knife! Lonely, lonely, I guess I'm lonely. It's a mess of lonely, lonely, I guess I'm lonely.
Okay, stop.
I do it.
Yo, Plus, come here. Plus, come here.
You're dead! I guess I'm lonely. Oh! Feeling lonely, lonely. I guess I'm lonely. Feeling really, really lonely. Oh, he's got a knife! Ah! Get over here! Hey, 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 hey! Back off from me! Get away from me! Oh shit! Oh crap! Wait, hold on.